Hi, and welcome to my channel. Here's the finished product of the Grinch. You will need a green glass globe, wine glass, a Santa hat, vinyl with the Grinch face in black, vinyl in yellow. So I already have my vinyl cut out. Here's my glass globe. I just found it at the thrift store for $1. I'm going to use it. I'm using contact paper over the top of my vinyl face that you can find the SVG online. And then the Santa hat that I got from Walgreens, 98 cents, or maybe even Walmart. So I need to put the yellow eyes behind my black eyes to make this one big SVG, or one big face, so that when I put it on my glass, I can do it matching up my yellow eyes to my black background and trying to line it up perfectly. This is a challenge, but one I accepted. And so once I have it there perfectly, I smooth it all together, and I have one big piece for the face. And this is the easiest process. It's just making sure that your surface is clean on your glass, your vase, whatever you're going to use. Then take off the paper of the vinyl. Make sure that all your pieces are on your transfer tape or contact paper of what I'm using. And then take off the backing or the paper portion for the yellow eyes that are connected to the black eyebrows, pupils. I have a little runaway piece that I need to put back onto the contact paper, the transfer paper. Then line up or center your item. Here's my face, and I'm trying to get it just perfectly on the glass globe. And it's just coming together awesome. Exactly how planned. Very simple, easy task. And then when I'm smoothing all the vinyl onto the glass, making sure that it's pushed hard against it so that I can peel it off, peel the contact paper and just leave the vinyl design on there. I always tear diagonally and try to keep it as plush as possible against the glass so that the design stays on. And voila, I have a face on green glass since the Grinch is in this year. And then I just add the stocking cap. I didn't do anything. I just put it on the top of the globe. You might have to glue yours on, and added a light. And this is what it looks like. Thank you for looking.